Hey people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new in this channel, you are highly welcome. Now today I'm going to be showing you a remedy that would make you look younger and younger and younger. Okay, it's actually going to diminish the appearances of wrinkles and fine lines, and your skin is going to glow, like glow. So watch this video to the end so you get all the full benefits and details of this video. So don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share the video and also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright, drop your curious or personal questions on my website, guys, and let's dive into the video. So to look younger and have a more healthy glowing skin, you're gonna be needing yogurt. Okay, so because yogurt contains lactic acids, it's just going to help to remove the dead skin cells on the skin and reveal a brighter and a more newer skin. Okay, yogurt, we're going to be taking 1 full tablespoon of yogurt. Okay, that's what we're going to be needing. Then we're going to be needing egg. Now egg is great in tightening up the skin, making you look younger, and it also closes up large and open pores, and it will therefore help you to glow. Now for the egg, we're just going to be breaking in the egg. In this remedy, we're going to be needing both the white and the yolk. Okay, we're going to be needing everything. Then we're going to be needing pure gram flour. Now this is one ingredient that helps so much for the skin, and it helps for dark spots, dark patches, dark elbow, pigmentations, wrinkles, and fine lines. So it will therefore help you look younger. Alright, now for the gram flour, let's put in half tablespoon of gram flour. Okay, and then we're going to be needing Fuller's Earth Clay powder. Now this is one natural remedy that has been used anciently for a brighter and a more radiant and glowing skin. So it will help in removing wrinkles, and it will also help to get rid of fine lines. And also equal amount, half tablespoon of clay powder, Fuller's Earth. Okay guys, to make this work better, we'll have to mix all of the 4 natural and very important remedy together for a brighter and more younger looking skin. So you have to mix and mix very well, okay, so that the ingredients will mix very well, and then it is the consistency that we actually need. It's actually very friendly. Okay, so, alright guys, so here is the treatment. Okay, here it is. Alright, and now I'm gonna be applying it to wake up my skin this morning. Alright, so I actually love to use my hands to apply remedies like this. Okay, so it could wake up my skin. I've actually not applied anything today. This is just a scrub that I'm going to be using for today. Okay, now when you're done applying, you can give it a very mild and gentle scrub. Alright guys, so when you're done scrubbing, then you can wash it off. You can wash it off with a cool water. All right, you have to wait for like 1 to 2 minutes for the scrub to work really well, and then you wash it off. Okay, so I'm gonna be waiting and I'll be right back. Cover it. Now if you want, you can actually wait for it to be dry, like very dry. Okay guys, so when you're done, you have to use a toilet soap to wash your face. You have to use a toilet soap to wash your face. So for this remedy, you can use it twice or 3 times in a week. Okay, this is so to give you that younger and more glowing and vibrant skin. You can store it, but if you store it guys, it's gonna go bad because of the egg, so you don't actually necessarily need to store it. Because you're going to be using it twice in a week, you can make a new one anytime you want to apply it. So that's it guys. If you want to look younger, please use this remedy because it's going to be superb. It's going to be so lovely. It's going to be the bomb. Alright, so that's it guys. Use it. Come back and tell me how it is. I'll see you soon in my next video, and please share the video. Don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Thumbs up and share this video, and I'll see you. Bye guys.